Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video we're going to be speaking about 4 free video screen recorder softwares that have no time limits and are not watermarked. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not also stick around to the end because there's going to be a dad joke. Alright guys, let's go. Check it out. Okay, now here we are at Vimeo. And Vimeo is really an amazing bit of equipment. It's actually going to be giving you a Chrome extension, and that Chrome extension will allow you to be able to record what is on your screen. Unfortunately, because it is a Chrome extension, you will need to have internet access. It's not something you can just download onto your desktop, unfortunately, because if you could, that'd be great. Then you could just download it as you want it, but it doesn't give you that option. You sign up for a free account, and that will allow you to be able to have a free video recording software or screen recapture recording software, and you can use that anywhere and anytime you want. As you can see, hey, it actually works with the screen recorder. So, you know, as you can see around here, it's a little square, and it does work with the webcam. This will be the only one out of all of them that will work. Primarily, I don't know why it does, but it just does. The other ones, unfortunately, because I have Camtasia, they don't tend to work quite as well. In fact, they don't work at all when I have another screen recording software available. But because this one is strictly on the web, it doesn't have to rely on Camtasia drawing from the same camera, I guess. So this one works really well. So as you can see, we've got a little background down the bottom here, and I can be moving myself around anywhere on the screen I wish to, but I'll just keep myself just here right now. And as you can do, you can scroll down, have a look through it, and have a bit of a read and find out a bit more about this particular one. So this one is Vimeo. Alright, so let's go check out the next one. Now this particular one is called ScreenRec. Now I don't know whether or not this one's going to be record my webcam without it being upside down or any other way, because it appears to be coming across upside down. Why, I have no clue, but I can possibly fix that up by doing that or not. I'm not really sure. Yeah, anyway, it doesn't seem to want to do it. I'll get rid of that for the moment. But this can actually record 4K definition if you really want to go this way, and it is free. Now, the one issue I do have with this is the actual webcam aspect of it all. That does have a bit of a problem, and I've never been able to get it to work properly using the webcam. However, it claims you can. Maybe you'll have better luck than me. But it does also give you 4K definition, which is fantastic. But I will say it does have a second issue, and that is if you are trying to record on another screen, if you have 2 screens, you can't record on a second screen. You can only record on the main screen that you are working with. It will not give you the option to record on a second screen, which can be a bit of an issue. Whereas Vimeo had not a problem with that. But Screen Recorder, this ScreenRec, does allow you to record in 4K definition, and if you don't necessarily want to be on camera when doing this, then this might suit you perfectly, especially if you're doing courses and you want people to be able to have a nice clear view of what you're doing. So this one is, and I'm actually recording this using ScreenRec right now. Alright, now let's go head out and check out the next one. Okay, now this particular one I really like. It's called Powersoft, and it actually is a really good little bit of software. Now the online version you have right here, which is what I'm recording on right now, is in fact a free version where it's 100% free to use the online version. However, if you wish to download it and you want to use the application for your desktop, then you will need to pay for it. It's $39 a year, I believe. However, if you don't wish to do that, you can always use the free version, which gives you really good high definition videos. And as you can see, there really isn't any major issues with it. I had to, because of the fact that I have been recording using Camtasia, I can't use my webcam right now. But if this is the only app that you've got, you'll have no problems recording your webcam. So this one here is Powersoft. As I said, it's 1080 with the definition, and you will have not a problem with this one. It's nice and clear and crisp and clean, easy to use, and I find this actually to be a rather attractive and easy to use software. So this one is Powersoft. It's very basic in what it does, and it has got some things on the back end you can use. However, it is fine the way it is. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright, now this particular one is called Screencastmatic. I've done a few reviews on this one over in the past. Now, it does allow you to be able to do free editing now. I never used to be able to do that. Now, that's obviously a picture of myself and my son. And this is one where if I wish to, I can actually edit this video for free. This one here is free. This is actually an online one. You don't actually get to download anything for this one. It is online, and you can record on your screen using online facilities. So you don't need to actually have any software downloaded for this one. Of course, you can now bring up this one here. You can have a quick look here. This is a launcher. Recorder will appear in a second, and in just a moment I'll hopefully be able to show you what it looks like. I don't know if you can see this or not down the bottom. I don't think you can. I think it's off screen. No, I don't think you can. Anyhow, it is something you can do. So I'm going to actually record this on my Camtasia, and I'll hopefully be able to give you a better view of what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going to move this, shrink this up a bit. This is the one I was referring to before. This is Screencastmatic. Now, as you can see right here, it's got a record button. You can choose the size and the location of the screen. It is usually really good, but because I've got Camtasia going with my webcam, as you can see, it's not letting me record my webcam on pretty much anything else, and that's okay because I use Camtasia for pretty much everything anyway. However, if you do not have Camtasia or a paid option that you want to be able to use, then this may well be an option for you as well. Now, I will say that Powersoft, out of all of these free ones, is probably my favorite one, because I've actually had a good look at this in the past where I didn't have an issue by having my Camtasia on at the time, and it recorded the screen quite nicely. It was really quite good. And the next one I would say would have to be really good would have to be this one here, which is ScreenRec. Now, both of them are very, very good. I'm just going to hit done on that one. I'm just going to hit save the upload. And the thing is, it's actually one that you can use pretty much anytime, anywhere. This one, because this one can be downloaded onto your desktop, and this one you don't have to worry about being online, whereas using Screencastmatic, you really do have to be online almost all the time. And on this one here is another really good one. You don't have to be online to use this one either, as it is a downloadable one that you can use on your desktop, and you don't have to be online to use it. Alright, these are the 4 screen recording softwares that don't have watermarks or a time limit. Okay guys, it's now joke time. A husband and wife were driving through Louisiana. As they approached Natchitoches, they started arguing over the pronunciation of the name of the town. They argued back and forth for quite a while. Then they decided to go and stop at a restaurant for dinner. At the counter, they asked the blonde waitress, "So please, before we order, could you please settle an argument for us? Could you pronounce very slowly where we are?" The blonde lady leaned over the counter, looked at them and said, "Burger King." Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these 4 screen recorders. Now, over here is a video that I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube believes you might like. And over here is an icon that if you press that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.